What can SEO do for you? The lifeblood of any business is traffic. Whether you are an online marketer or an offline marketer, you will need traffic if your business is to thrive. And that's why more and more consumers rely on the internet to provide them with relevant answers to their queries. Whether it is product reviews or movie reviews, people online are doing serious research online prior to buying products. And regardless of whether you are an author, high search engine results page SERP ranking will ensure that your content is read. The more people that read your content, the more traffic you will get, which translates to more sales. Now, today's economy is tough, especially when confidence in the banking and financial sector is shaky. A proper SEO strategy can help you and your business get extra sales and business. Search engines are changing the way they do business, and thus SEO is an evolving field. If you become a SEO expert, whether for your own business or for your clients, your expertise will be noted and will definitely be in demand.